Hi everyone, this is Rick Slark and welcome to the framework we call Position Map. How to be better than or different from your competition. The framework Position Map is inspired by the strategy canvas from the book Blue Ocean Strategy. The position map is a scoreboard that is used to compare the entrepreneur's company to one or more competitors. The framework shows 5 classic competitive factors that you can use to compare your company to the competitors, and you can pinpoint your own and other companies' positions in the market. Also, the framework is an inspiration to think of even more competitive factors. Now, a key point of this framework is that businesses do not only compete on the classic competitive factors. A business could also try to eliminate all competition by creating its own competitive factors in which it's superior. In this way, it enters the blue ocean, a place where it is beyond the bloody competition of the crowded red ocean. Here's a few topics for you to think about. How would this framework look if picturing your company along with your competitors? Does your company need to improve on any competitive factors? Are some competitive factors less important? Can you think of a new competitive factor that would distance your company from the competitors? And here's a few decisions you might have to make. Number 1, key competitive factors. Which competitive factors should be key for your company to compete on? Number 2, differentiation and imitation. How will you be different and how will you be similar to the competition? And number 3, benchmarking. How will you collect information that will allow you to compare competitive strength to your competitors? If you'd like more information on this framework we call Position Map, reach out to Rick at slarkconsultinggroup.com.